What is up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. It's time to look at this market. We've been in a little bit of a downhill slide here in this market, and just want to kind of talk to you guys about where I see this market going and where I see this market doing. So, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's jump right over here to Trading View and get right in, get right after it. Let's go ahead and have a look at Bitcoin and see where Bitcoin's at right now and what it's actually doing. Right. So right now it looks like Bitcoin's sitting at 66,022 as the recording of this video. And as you can see, Bitcoin is starting to recover a little bit. We're looking at the daily chart here, starting to recover a little bit on the day, but just barely. So what has been going on with Bitcoin lately? We see this big, we see a downslide right here, right? Over these past days. If you draw a tunnel, you can see that we're right inside of this tunnel right here. We're right inside of that tunnel. Bitcoin came up here and it really tried to test this 66,000 high $66,000 support level that it had. Couldn't hang on to it, right? It just could not hang on to that level. As of right now, it's really it's starting to come underneath this support level here. Looks like it could be coming back down here to the 63,000, 65,000, I'm sorry, $65,000 level. You definitely could be in a 65 to $64,000 Bitcoin level, guys. So definitely looks like there's a lot of selling pressure in the market when it comes to Bitcoin at this point. In the game right now, we got Bitcoin Nashville going on right now, which we would think would bring some positive sentiment to Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general. But we have yet to, we have yet to see that. Let's see how that conference goes, and let's see what they do over there. I know Trump is speaking over there, and everybody's hoping that he says something in regards to making Bitcoin a national currency. So we'll see what's going on over there. But Bitcoin definitely has a lot of sell pressure behind it. Definitely looks like it could be dropping back down into that $64,000 level. And that's not a bad thing. It can come down. It's got to come down there. It's got to grab that liquidity that's sitting down there that has all that pressure on it before it can make that next move to the upside. And I think that's what's going on right now is that literally Bitcoin is coming down and grabbing some of this liquidity as the stock market's down, as all the markets are down. Really, the Asian markets are down, the European markets are down, the United States markets are down. Everything seems to be on a downhill slide. So what you see is you see Bitcoin coming back to these previous levels of support and resistance, grabbing that liquidity right now, and just kind of moving along throughout the day here. A little bit of swing up, a little bit of swing back down, but I'm not really worried about this. I think that this is normal. I think this is healthy for the market. I think you have to clear out some of this liquidity. You got to clear out some of these longs, these shorts, and take some of that sell pressure off of Bitcoin in the market in general in order for this market to run. Really not too worried about it. I think that we are definitely going to see some positive momentum out of this market, some positive momentum out of Bitcoin as well here in the near future. But I do think that we're probably going to trade sideways for a little while, just so that the market can straighten itself out, the liquidity can be eaten up, and the market can settle in. So I'm expecting for a little bit more of some down pressure in the market. I'm expecting the market to kind of, pull back even a little bit more than where it currently is. But none of that, you see me nice and calm. None of that really worries me at all. Like I said, I think that this is healthy for the market going into the back half of 2024 into 2025. I think that this is healthy. I think that this is a healthy move for the market, and don't be surprised. We're setting lower highs and lower lows as we come down through there. So don't be surprised if we start to retest some of them lower levels. I'm not saying that we're going to go back to $30,000 or even $50,000, but we will play around in this 60, probably $63,000 to 68,000 mark for a little while. I think we're going to be here for a minute. Just until this market can really start to move. Looks like in the United States we have some rate cuts possibly coming in September, which I think everybody's just kind of waiting for this market really to send, for all markets to send actually, but specifically crypto and Bitcoin to really send in September when these rate cuts start to happen. I think that'll be some positive momentum for the markets. So definitely looking towards September for that nice run to the upside. But I think we're gonna play around in the tunnels that we're in right now until then. So with that, that's a quick update for you guys of where I see the market going. I think there's some downward pressure going on in there. I think that we're just going to trade sideways and a little bit down. So go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. I just wanted to get at you guys with a quick market update. I know the market's down, and I don't want to leave you guys hanging. But I think it's probably definitely time to start DCAing in some of them projects that you know and love, guys. But without any more, I am out. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that share, and we'll get at you guys with the next one.